I got a little bit of an experiment going on here. Doorbell transformer. 25 watt 4-ohm speaker from a Ford. Homemade testing board. And a way to plug it in. Of course, I'm going to be using this as well. I'm setting it to 200 AC voltage for this. I also have this resistor connected between one of the pins on the doorbell transformer and one of the pins on the speaker. Alright, let's turn it on. That didn't last long. I can smell the fumes from in here. Better turn this thing off. Geez, I think I got like a solid 5 volts out of that before the thing blew up. Yeah, I think just like what happened in photonic inductions video, it just blows up the voice coil. And obviously, this being a Ford speaker, yeah, they just decided to seal it to where that was sealed between the cone between that piece and the basket. Here we go. We got a Bosch speaker, 4 ohms at 150 watts. Yes. We also need to make sure those two pins are away from each other. We don't want anything arcing. Very odd, eh? Well, it turns out I'm guessing the Bosch speaker might be a little bit too much for this, huh? Either that or the variable resistor of mine went out. Who knows? Hopefully we can test this to make sure this is still running. Good, it's still running as normal. Just a little bit over 21 volts, which is good. Maybe we could test this on a couple other things, huh? I can't really seem to find much around here I can test it on, can I? What else do we got in here? Yes. The one thing people with electronics always like to destroy. Cheap LEDs. Well, that was anticlimactic.